In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring to front in Figma. Let's start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the canvas and the layers panel on the left. When we talk about bringing to front, we're changing the stacking order the way layers sit on top of each other. So one object appears above the rest. You can do this in 3 simple ways. With the right right-click menu, with keyboard shortcuts, or by dragging in the layers panel. Use whichever feels fastest and most reliable for you. First, the right-click context menu. Click to select the object you want to move. You can select it directly on the canvas or pick it from the layers panel if it's hard to click because it's hidden behind other elements. Once it's selected, right-click to open the menu and choose Bring to Front. That instantly places the object at the very top of its current group or frame. If you don't see an immediate change, double-check that you are selecting the correct layer and that the object is inside the same group or frame you expect. Items can only move within their own container. Next, keyboard shortcuts the fastest way to work when you are making frequent changes. With your object selected, use Bring to Front to jump it to the top of its group or frame. On Windows, press the right bracket key to bring it to front. If you only want to nudge it up one step in the stack, use Bring Forward instead, which moves it up by a single layer. This is helpful when you are fine-tuning the order without completely reshuffling your layout. Keep in mind that these commands respect hierarchy. They won't pull an object out of a different frame or component. Finally, the Layers panel on the left gives you precise visual control. Find the layer you want, then click and drag it to the top of the list within its group or frame. Layers at the top appear in front of those below them on the canvas. This method is great when objects overlap closely or when you want to reorder several items at once. Naming your layers clearly can make this even easier, especially in complex files. That's it. Thanks for watching.